What the hell is that?
That's not good.
Look.
Oh, there's one more thing about ostriches.
Oh, no.
Say it!
They travel in herds.
We gotta get out of here!
Go, Buggy!
Come on, shake a leg!
Why am I so slow?
Oh, Astro, let's go!
Come on,
Eddie, go!
Do you see the key anywhere?
Okay, how do I do this?
I don't know. I've never driven one of these before.
Maybe under the dash.
Green button!
Green button, go!
Go, 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 go!
Go, go!
Oh my
You are a terrible driver.
What are you talking about? We're fine.
Everybody find you. Oh, no. Oh, help. Hold on, Eddie, please don't let go. Oh, wow. Oh, help.
Beat it!
Get out of here.
I think we lost him.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah. Oh, no. What do we do? What do we do?
I don't know!
Get in. Hurry.
Ah, suckers!
Eddie.
Oh, dear.
What do we do? What do we do?
What are you doing?
Birds, 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 birds! What the hell, man?
They're flightless birds.
This is a flightless dude buggy!
We're not going to make it.
We're gonna make it.
No, we're not!
I don't think we're going to make it.
We're gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. That was fantastic.
Oh, horrible driver.
Yeah, you see that, birds? You don't mess with the kid. Right there. Did you see me? I was incredible. I mean, I saved you, I saved you, I saved this guy from a bird while I was driving a car. I was a machine. I was relentless. I was fearless.
Yes, exactly. Fearless. That's Bravestone. Okay, check this out.
Oh, goodness.
What the hell?
It's your strengths and weaknesses. I mean, your avatar, Dr. Bravestone's strengths and weaknesses.
Fearless? Check. Speed? Climbing? Boomerang.